Kunming China is a city packed with unforgettable sights and experiences, offering a mix of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and lively city life. Begin your journey at the stone forest, where towering limestone pillars rise dramatically from the ground, creating a mystical landscape shaped over millions of years. Explore the winding paths, caves, and spires, all steeped in local legends that add a magical touch to this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next, the Yunnan Nationalities Village celebrates the traditions and architecture of 25 ethnic minorities, from Dai pagodas to Yi adobe homes. Cultural performances like the Dai peacock dance and the Bai three-course tea ceremony immerse visitors in Yunnan's diverse heritage. In the city, Dongfeng Square pulses with energy, while Jima Biji Square offers bustling markets and monuments that reflect local life. As night falls, Nanping Street Night Market fills the air with sizzling aromas and colorful lights, while Dian Chi Lake provides tranquil waterside views. Finally, Luosiwan Market showcases Kunming's commercial heartbeat, where endless rows of shops and street food capture the city's dynamic spirit. Let's get started. Number 7. Exploring the Stone Forest, China's majestic natural wonder. The stone forest in Kunming, China, is one of the country's most awe-inspiring natural wonders, a landscape where towering limestone pillars rise dramatically from the earth, creating a scene that looks almost otherworldly. Formed over 270 million years ago, these jagged formations were shaped by water erosion, leaving behind a maze of stone peaks, caves, and hidden pathways that seem to stretch endlessly. Walking through the stone forest feels like stepping into a natural cathedral. Each turn reveals new shapes, from delicate spires to massive stone walls that touch the sky. Local legends tell stories of spirits and warriors turned to stone, adding a touch of mystery to the experience. Located about 90 kilometers from Kunming City, the Stone Forest is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Yunnan's rich geological and cultural heritage. It's a breathtaking destination that perfectly blends natural beauty, history, and legend. Number 6. Yunnan Nationalities Village. The Yunnan Nationalities Village in Kunming is a vibrant celebration of culture, tradition, and diversity, a living museum that showcases the rich heritage of Yunnan's 25 ethnic minorities. As you explore the village, you'll walk through beautifully recreated homes and landmarks, from the elegant white pagodas of the Dai people to the adobe houses of the Yi and Bai's iconic 3-square and 1-wall courtyard design. Each area feels like stepping into a different part of the province, all in a single day. One of the most striking sights here is the towering Tibetan prayer wheel, standing 10 meters tall with a 2.5-meter diameter, a powerful symbol of peace and spirituality. Visitors can also experience cultural performances like the graceful Dai peacock dance or take part in the Bai three-course tea ceremony. Whether you're watching, tasting, or participating, every moment offers a colorful glimpse into Yunnan's fascinating ethnic traditions. Number 5. Exploring Dongfeng Square, the beating heart of Kunming City. Dongfeng Square stands as the vibrant center of Kunming, where the city's energy, culture, and history converge in one dynamic space. Once a symbol of old Kunming's charm and now transformed into a modern urban hub, this square offers the perfect place to experience the rhythm of daily life in Yunnan's capital. As you stroll across the open plaza, you'll see locals gathering for morning exercises, street musicians filling the air with melodies, and families enjoying leisurely walks beneath the city's bright skyline. Surrounding the square are towering commercial buildings, stylish cafes, and shopping centers that reflect Kunming's modern identity. At night, Dongfeng Square truly comes alive. The colorful lights, lively crowds, and vibrant atmosphere create a beautiful contrast against the tranquil Yunnan evening sky. Whether you're people watching, snapping photos, or just soaking in the city's pulse, Dongfeng Square captures the spirit of Kunming, modern, welcoming, and full of life at every turn. Number 4. Jima Biji Square walkthrough, markets, monuments, and local life. Jima Biji Square is the vibrant heart of Kunming China, where culture, commerce, and everyday life come together in one lively space. Strolling through the square, visitors are immediately drawn to the bustling markets, where vendors display fresh produce, handmade crafts, and colorful textiles. The sights, sounds, and aromas create an immersive experience, offering a real taste of local life. The square is also home to several important monuments that honor Jima's rich history and heritage, providing perfect photo opportunities for travelers and history enthusiasts alike. Street performers and musicians often add to the lively atmosphere, turning the square into a hub of entertainment and social activity. Food lovers can sample local snacks from nearby stalls while soaking in the energy of the square. Whether exploring on foot, chatting with locals, or enjoying the sunset from a nearby cafe, Jima Biji Square captures the essence of the city. Every corner offers a glimpse into the vibrant spirit, culture, and rhythm of Jima life. Number 3. Night Market Adventure on Nanping Street. Step into the lively streets of Kunming and Nanping Street Night Market, where the city comes alive after sunset. The bustling market is a feast for the senses, with colorful lights illuminating rows of stalls and the aroma of sizzling street food filling the air. Here, locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy a mix of traditional Yunan flavors and innovative snacks. Start by sampling the famous Yunan rice noodles, perfectly chewy and served with a variety of toppings, or try the spicy skewers sizzling over open flames. Sweet treats like candied fruits and fried pastries offer a delicious contrast to the savory dishes. Beyond the food, the market showcases local culture with handmade crafts, trinkets, and souvenirs. Street performers add to the lively atmosphere, creating a vibrant backdrop for every step. Nanping Street Night Market isn't just a place to eat, it's a window into Kunming's energy, flavor, and nightlife, making it an unforgettable experience for food lovers and explorers alike. Number 2. Dian Chi Lake, the most beautiful lake in Kunming. Dian Chi Lake, often called the sparkling pearl of the plateau, is the largest freshwater lake in Yunnan and one of Kunming's most breathtaking natural treasures. Stretching across 300 square kilometers, this vast body of water reflects the surrounding mountains, creating postcard-perfect scenery that changes with every season. Along the shores, locals and travelers gather to enjoy peaceful walks, boat rides, and stunning sunset views that paint the sky in shades of gold and pink. At Haigang Park, you can watch flocks of red-beaked seagulls that migrate here every winter, filling the air with their calls and graceful flight. The nearby Dragon Gate on Chishan Mountain offers panoramic views of Dian Lake from above, a sight that truly captures the magic of Kunming. Whether you're exploring its tranquil parks, discovering lakeside temples, or simply soaking in the cool mountain breeze, Dian Chi Lake is the perfect place to experience the natural charm and serene beauty of Kunming. Number 1. Exploring Luosiwan Market, the biggest wholesale hub in Kunming. Luosiwan Market, also known as Luosiwan International Trade City, is Kunming's largest and most dynamic wholesale hub, a place where business, culture, and local life come together under one roof. Stretching across multiple massive buildings, this marketplace is packed with endless rows of shops selling everything from fashion and accessories to electronics, textiles, and traditional crafts. As you walk through its busy aisles, you'll hear the sounds of bargaining, see colorful displays of goods, and experience the fast-paced energy that fuels trade across southwest China. Many of the products sold here are shipped to other parts of Asia and beyond, making Luosiwan a vital center for international commerce. Beyond the shopping, Luosiwan Market also offers a glimpse into local life in Kunming. Street food stalls around the complex serve delicious snacks and tea, creating the perfect break between exploring floors of deals and discoveries. It's a must-visit destination for anyone wanting to see Kunming's commercial heartbeat in action.